Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to download ChatGPT desktop app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your Chrome or browser, and then on the search bar simply type in chatgpt.com. and once you do that, here you'll be seeing this kind of interface on your browser. Now what you need to do is tap on this three dot icon on the top right corner of the screen, and once you click on that, you'll be seeing a menu, and among them what you need to do is tap on more tool options. And once you do that, here you'll be getting a bunch of options once again. Now simply tap on create shortcut, and once you do that, here a small dialog box will appear on your screen asking you to create shortcut. Now all you gotta do is name it as ChatGPT and then check this open as a window and then click on create. And once you do that, the ChatGPT will be opened as window on your desktop, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.